Today is another day of our life in the Philippines, and today the barangay authorities, the mayor's office are coming around and distributing the relief, and excitement is out here. People are out, and the way they do it is by street. So they have started up on the first street up here, and they're coming down back in this way. And the way they do it is everybody has to put out their ID, barangay passes, and other things to verify who you are, and then they will drop off on the chairs you see down here. They will drop off some relief, and we are getting it. And as you see down there, there's a couple of chairs over there. I think our neighbors are putting their chairs out. By the way, they're selling some kachimogo, Filipino style kimchi, and haven't tried it yet, but I will buy a bag from them and test it. So we're going to go up the street here and take a look. Yeah, so let's go up here and see what's going on. They came down this street, stopped on this corner here, but I'm pretty sure they're up here somewhere. Are they down there? All right, so that's where they are, way down there on that street. All right, so this is one truck, but this is not the truck that we saw earlier. And we're gonna go down the street here and take a look and show you around a little bit and follow up on this eventful day for a lot of these members of the community. It's exciting. They get something to eat, and hungry stomachs will now be full. So let's go. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. They're finally coming with some relief, huh?
Yeah. We had a good, I think the mayor or something.
Yeah. It's all the mayor. I talked to Mr. Paco. You know Paco, right? Yeah. So it's all through the mayor's office. They're doing a great job. They're doing a great job. Yeah.
Now we gotta put it on.
Put it away. All right, they're running away from us.
I don't think we're running too far.
Nah.
We should be able to catch up within about 2 minutes. A few hidden beauties around here.
Huh?
There's beautiful people everywhere, my gosh.
Oh yeah.
What happened here?
Look at the junkyard. It looks like a little junkyard, but
Like somebody ate Mexican food and then lit it up.
what? Ate Mexican food and lit it up?
And then lit it up.
Oh yeah. Explosion. Mexican food. All right, so they are just going up and down the road here with the truck, dropping off the rice in front of the doors. Yeah, they're using the solid waste management truck.
Yeah. Solid waste. There you go. Say hello.
Yeah. Right. So the apartments are getting their stuff too. They're getting their fair share.
Where's Paco and everybody else?
Well, I think they have 2 crews, actually. So he might be down at the high school, and we're probably gonna go.
They're loading the trucks.
Yeah, they're loading the trucks, I think, and
So basically what they're doing, they're putting up, they're collecting the papers.
Yeah, they're collecting the papers. One piece of paper for each sack of rice.
Yep.
That way they get accounting for what they did. And so they're going up and down each street.
So they do, they park and then they go like a half a block or something like that?
Yeah, I think so. They might go down half the block and drop off. And then when they come back the other street, they come up this way and go down that way.
Malawa over there too.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Stay out of their way.
It's their house. Just put it in the front.
Right.
He looks familiar.
Yeah. I think he's the one down in Paradise. I'm not sure, but it might very well be.
Looks like a recently built house.
Yeah, looks nice.
Simple.
Simple. Couple of apartments in there.
Duplex, yeah.
Yeah. Duplex apartment. How are you? We're doing good. So we're distributing rice today, huh? That's good.
2,500.
1.5?
2,500.
Yeah.
2,500.
Right. Is there one crew, two crews? How many crews? Two? Two trucks? There's another truck also, right? Okay. We'll just
The big truck.
the big
The
truck.
biggest truck.
Yeah, I saw yesterday. We were down when they came in with 500 bags and dropped it off. We were there. Actually, he helped them offload it. So we were
Tina.
trying to use our muscles yesterday.
My clothes.
Yeah. Oh, the zipper went bad. Yeah, so here you have another apartment complex, and they got 3 apartments, 3 bags of rice.
Tina.
Yeah, that's a Rottweiler, right?
I know. Oh, I love those dogs.
Yeah. You see this, Umberto? Look at all the birds in there. Can't really feed them.
Yeah, my goodness. I can't sleep with this.
They must be breeding birds or something.
Probably.
Yeah.
Nice chirping going on.
Yeah. They're breeders. They're breeding these birds. Yeah, there's a big crew today. People taking notes, gathering up all the copies of the IDs and barangay passes. So Prince Quest, this is a water refilling.
Yes.
This is the water refilling station. This is our water boy. Water boy. They're talking about who's going to get what here. I think
Yeah,
people
because
are
they don't
putting out their IDs without.
Without barangay pass.
without barangay pass. But we'll keep note of that. If they don't get anything here,
Come and give them some.
I have 50 kilo, or 100 kilo almost.
We'll come and get them some rice.
Yeah. If they don't get anything, we'll watch it.
Looks like they're not. Beautiful dog.
Yeah.
Broad shadow.
It's seen better days, though.
Oh yeah.
This thing's seen better days.
This little turbo, 2.2 liter turbo. These things rock.
Yeah, they did.
They're each gonna get one. Watch.
2 bags.
Per house.
Yeah. Yeah, they tried to be at a point where they got.
No, they actually got 2 over there.
Yeah, it's 2 apartments. So.
No, that house got 2.
Yeah. Is he the entertainer? Are you the entertainer today?
Yeah?
Yeah, good.
How many trucks they have? 2?
You have 2?
Only one, only.
Only one?
There's the other big one. The loaded 400, the loaded 400, no, 425 kilos.
Yeah, that's the truck that came in this morning. Right?
Yeah.
This one.
This one here coming up this road.
He's leaving.
He's leaving. He brought.
Where's Mr. Paco, sir?
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
Oh, you don't see him?
He's home taking a nap, Mr. Paco. Maybe he's sleeping.
Oh, inside the River subdivision,
Yeah.
they are already distributed.
And that was how many? 300.
300 plus.
358, I think it was. And that's the area that had gotten nothing before, right?
Yeah, that's already done. Inside the River subdivision.
All right, that's great.
Hey there, neighbor.
Here we are.
What's that?
Yeah. So okay, so let's follow the truck. I
Yeah,
guess.
for the distribution.
So they go on one side first and then they come over to the other side later? Okay. So they start over up and then go that side later? Or?
And in the zigzag.
All right, so they go all the way down here and then they come back up this way.
Oh yeah.
So everlasting on the other side, we'll get it towards the afternoon sometime? Okay. Some people try to put out 6, 7, 8 chairs. In 2 apartments, I think they had 6 or 8 chairs out.
Please to all people, please proceed the social distancing.
How are you? Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. Just documented the first substantial distribution.
Okay. That is good, eh?
Yeah, it's good. Very good.
Good thing.
It's a good thing for the people.
Yeah.
Hungry stomachs.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
All right.
Have a nice day.
You too. Yeah, it feels good in here.
Oh yeah, little shade and a little breeze.
Yeah.
Very refreshing.
Look, they're polishing the concrete now, putting the
It's quick.
finish on it. Yeah,
It's pretty quick.
that's one thing Filipinos are good at. They're
Construction, yeah, I've seen that.
and putting nice finishes on concrete, and they're really good at it.
I'm not so sure about the roofs they use, but
No, looks a little flimsy to me.
they seem to last through the wind. I don't see many roofs being blown off by the wind.
No.
Use plastic plaster.
Plastic, yeah.
Plastic plaster, and then they put a thin layer of.
Yeah, it's They do a really good job with it.
The finish, yeah.
Yeah, really good finish. A little bit. That's one thing going on here. Construction. So I guess the verification process takes a little time too. They have people with names and IDs and stuff, and they got to match it to their paperwork, so they don't have any over distribution. Hurry up. It's hot. Let's go. Let's move.
It's another 2 units right there.
Yeah, behind there, yeah, there's another construction going on there. It
Actually,
looks
4 units.
it looks like 4 units, right?
2 on top.
3 on top.
No, 2.
You got one door there, right? Back there, and there, and there. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like a door opening there, one there. So it's 3 units. 3 units.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 4.
Yeah, I don't see the 4th one. 1, 2, 3. That's all I see. But 6 units.
There's 4 doors, right? 1 door, 2 doors, 3 doors, 4 doors.
Oh yeah, there you go.
1,
Okay,
2,
they
3,
are
4,
next
4,
to each
4.
other. Yeah.
Yeah, but what are they? Studios?
Yeah, probably studio apartments, small studio apartments. That's a wrap for this video and this moment. The good news are everybody is getting some kind of help here today, rice. And the best news is that Rima Van, who was the forgotten area I had been talking about for a while, they actually got the first load this morning. 358 home got their supplies. That is Mark doing the song. So okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless. We are being back tomorrow with another video, and we'll see.
See you guys.
Maybe a summarizing of what's going on here and the end final results of this distribution. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.